The Botswana Human Resource Development Skills Fair and Career Clinics is one of the best opportunities for current students and potential master's applicants to discover their dream program or to get a feel of other suitable study options. Meeting university representatives in person as well as peers who may have similar goals for their education or career is certainly worth one's time. The Botswana International University of Science and Technology, or BIUST, was at the just-ended BHRDC fair. Their strategy was outlined by their Acting Director of Registration Services, Mr. Donna Lekwate.
BIUST was founded primarily to be a catalyst in assisting the country to move away from a mineral-dependent economy towards more than just the mining economy. And the programs that we have been picked specifically to help assist diversify the country's economy. Within us here we have departments such as biological sciences, biotechnology, we have computer science and information systems, we have materials and metallurgical engineering. We also have decided to bring in academics to come and demonstrate the research and innovation that we are doing as a university. This in line with the theme of the BHRDC fair being the gateway towards diversifying the country's economy. So the programs that we have here and the interaction that we have with our prospective students are meant to give an opportunity for our prospective students to have an insight into what the teaching entails, into what student life in BIUST entails, as well as the career opportunities that one can have once they've completed their degrees with us. One of the key issues we raise when we interact with our prospective students is that we want them to see the degrees that we offer as a vehicle towards addressing a problem that they can relate to in their communities. This could be mechanical and energy engineering, which they could use to go into areas such as renewable energy, given that it is a well-known fact that coal-powered production of electricity will soon give way to renewable energy. It could be areas such as computer science, where we know the world currently is moving towards automation. And moving towards automation, programming is a key aspect of that. This could be civil and environmental engineering, as we know that the country continues to grow and develop more infrastructure. Therefore, we just want our prospective students to see our programs as a vehicle towards solving a challenge or a problem that they can relate to.
The mining, minerals, energy and water resources sector has been the biggest contributor to the country's economy for years. This simply means opportunities for employment continue to grow, with more prospecting and surveys being undertaken, expansions of mining projects, new mining projects, beneficiation of minerals and improved value chain benefits. Electrical and electronics engineers work primarily in research and development industries. To become one, Dr. Bokani Mtengi, lecturer at BIUST with the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, will explain more with examples of what else one can invent.
Today I brought with you a smart smart home security system. So this system will enable you to control your electrical appliances at home, meaning you'll be able to log your sockets, your lights, your electrical appliances, and monitor your electricity consumption. Why do we think this is an important project? Because we are moving towards diversifying the economy of Botswana. So if we give our students these skills like these, they'll be able to graduate knowing how to design certain products that they can sell in Botswana, they can sell outside Botswana, they can also create jobs for other Botswana. So this is where we're moving to smart technology. I will say we need more engineers in our country. That's the only way we can move towards diversifying the economy. We need more students who can manufacture, design things here at home, and then be able to sell that technology outside. Right now we are buying technology, we are buying products from outside, and that's taking away from the money that could be used here at home. So please encourage those students to come and apply. We need more engineers. So engineering, as we all know, a student has to be good in mathematics. You really cannot run away from that. You have to be good in your physics, chemistry, and biology. Biology is for the biomedical engineers. So these students, they really need to have passed their sciences, they need to have passed their mathematics, and then of course we need English and other courses. So you have to be good with computers, because a lot of our designs, we start with simulation using software engineering first before you can move on to the actual device. You really cannot just start by wiring things, no. You start with the software design. It gives you a theoretical idea of where you are going. If the simulation works, then you move to the design, which is what we call the hardware. So these kids, they have to know how to program using different programming languages. C, C++, Java, Python, all of those. They need to be good at that.
This is the Department of Chemical, Materials and Metallurgical Engineering. This department offers 2 engineering degrees, one as Bachelor in Chemical Engineering and the other one as a Bachelor in Materials and Metallurgical Engineering. The project that we are exhibiting today, we have one from Chemical Engineering, which is the manufacturing of soap. And this soap here, this is a locally made soap. It was made from cow fat. And these are the work of students. One of the things is BIUST has a vision to empower people so that they can use locally sourced material to produce what we want locally. So this is part of what we teach our students in chemical engineering. In terms of materials and metallurgical engineering, BIUST has got a lot of coal, as you can see. And in coal, you can have a lot of energy generated from coal. For example, we can actually get petrol from coal. Most of the other companies that have petroleum, they have petroleum in the liquid form, in the natural state. But here we have coal in the solid state. So if we take coal and we burn it at high temperature, we call the process pyrolysis. From there we get the crude oil, like those one that BIUST extract. And from this crude oil, the chemical engineers, they can use the process of fractional distillation to get the other fuels like aviation fuel, paraffin, kerosene, even our petrol. So it is when you distill this is the crude one. This is like the one they extract from all those oil producing companies. This is what they have it in liquid, but because we have coal, we can get this. From the raw material to the product, to the finished goods. From the raw material to the finished goods. Already we have the knowledge. Already, the government is procuring equipment that will facilitate the transfer of knowledge to the student. So it's a lot, but we can do more. So that is why we are inviting students that has got 38 points and above to come to BIUST, get the form, register, and come and see what we have to offer them.
My name is Barwasi from the Department of Computer Science and Information Systems. We are here at the BHRDC fair. And we are trying to recruit the best students who have interest in the latest technologies. So in our department, we offer 2 programs, which is computer science and software engineering, as well as information systems and data management. So the reason why I feel students need to opt for our programs is because the industry has had an input into the curriculum that we offer. So we don't just develop it ourselves. We have consulted different stakeholders and they've looked at our previous curriculum. They have reviewed it so that it matches the current market demands in the field of technology. So we have specialized areas like cybersecurity, data science, health informatics, and artificial intelligence. So our computer science encompasses different modules from those aspects. And in terms of research, we are trying to instill research into the undergraduate programs. We already have research in postgraduate programs, so we have this project that we give to our final year students. On your final year of computer science, you choose to either do a research project or a development project. so that we groom them while they are still at an early stage. You know, the president always talks about a knowledge-based economy. So instead of us relying on these minerals, we are trying to use our knowledge to diversify our economy. So for postgraduate programs, we do have the fields that I talked about: cybersecurity, we have fields of artificial intelligence, ontologies, we have e-learning, we have mobile learning. All these different areas, we do have research in those aspects.
We are here for the week, and we're also giving our prospective students a chance to make their applications here. More so that us being here as a university that is based outside of Gaborone, it is important that we give our prospective students a chance to interact with us and also make their applications at a convenient place such as the BHRDC fair.